What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. It's really nice outside right now, actually. It's I don't know how hot it is. It doesn't feel too bad though. It's pretty mild. I'm going to my nephew's taekwondo practice, or it's not really a practice, it's more of a testing for him to level up to the next level of belt, or the next color of belt. I don't know what these guys are doing. We can turn on a right. Oh, he's just gonna skip him. I probably should have done that. Oh well. I'm not in too much of a hurry. Doesn't bother me. I didn't know. I thought that was for bicyclists only. Maybe it's for bikers as well. What is this guy doing? It was green, bro. Now he goes on the red. Stupid idiot, man. Oh, look at this traffic. This is crazy. That's a nice Carrera. Porsche Carreras are such beautiful looking cars. At least I think so. You can disagree if you want. 595s are really beautiful as well. And of course the Carrera GT. Who can forget that? Or the 918. Who can forget that? I'm not a big fan of the 911s, but 918, Carrera GT, the Carrera, all the Carrera models, the 959. Yeah, good looking cars. This dude's got like a tassel on his handlebars. That's kind of dope. So there's no accident. It's just everybody's just going ridiculously slow. If you guys watched my last video, I kind of talked about one of my, what I think is the main reason for traffic jams like that. You guys can go ahead and click on that video. I'll have it linked somewhere in the top corners or the bottom corners, whatever's preferable, so somewhere on the screen. But yeah, it's ridiculous. Like there were two cars parked on the side of the road, but they weren't in an accident or anything, and it looks like they were only there for a couple of minutes. And yeah, it's like there's no need for traffic like that. So it's ridiculous. Wow, that guy, wow. Really, dude? Really? Like, why weren't you in this lane to begin with? Jeez, dude. It has to be this one then. It has to be. There's no, like, after this, it's just, there's no more city. It just kind of goes out into the countryside. Okay, it is this. Yep, it is this one. Looks familiar. Yep, there it is. Martial arts. Karate, or not karate. Taekwondo. Our operation hours are between 4 if we are unavailable.
This time, you were invited to the official.
Good, now turn and square right hand block. 1,
Las Vegas, Saturday,
2.
August 20th. Enjoy.
What's going on, guys? I'm back. This is my nephew right here, Jacob. He just basically passed his taekwondo test. They didn't announce it, but he kicked ass so well that he passed it, and I'm officially stating that you passed, and you are an official blue belt now. All right, same color as my bike, like he said earlier. So, good job. Hi. Hi. I like how like my bike has a slight backfire to it when I gun it. Pretty nice. Oh, hi there, doggy. Hi. Hi. You're a big boy. Yeah. I think that dog wanted to kill me. If that thing was not like restrained in its truck, then it probably would have killed me. That's weird. That's a Raptor over there, the red Raptor, but it's low. It's a lot lower than most cars. Don't know what this Prius is doing. Oh, you know what? I just realized I've got some leftover pizza from last night that I can eat. So I was thinking about what I should get for like a lunch, like a late lunch, because I'm starving. I'll just eat the rest of my pizza. And cinnamon sticks and breadsticks. I got the $11 dinner box from Pizza Hut. Such an awesome deal, dude. It lasts me 3 meals. Like I had half of it for dinner last night. I had a quarter of it for breakfast this morning, and then I'm gonna have the other quarter for lunch today. And then, you know, dinner I'll just be screwed. Man, there are rocks all over. I'm just getting pelted by rocks. Let me get out of this lane. Ah, damn. I don't know if that car was just dirty or what. Ah, I got hit by another rock. Let's get out of here, man. Get on the 215. Nice. Nice. Let's catch up to him. That's awesome. Wow, look at that slingshot, dude. That's a track day car right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is a full-blown track day car. Wow, that's cool. All right, guys, let's go. Wow, there's a lot of side wind in that one. I had to lean a huge amount and I didn't really get to go that fast. I was just getting pushed outside the turn like crazy, dude. You can see the trees just blowing like crazy too. So that one wasn't a good one. I hope you enjoyed today's moto vlogging. If you did, of course, leave a like. Or if you didn't, then leave a dislike. Either one works for me. That way I know if I'm making my videos correctly or not, if they suck or if they're good. You know how it is. Anyways, guys, I hope that you have a fantastic day. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more of the R3 and more of my dashing face and amazing voice and amazing driving skills. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.